Ever wondered what powers your phone, your laptop, your gaming rig, or even your toaster? It all starts here with a tiny square of silicon that thinks faster than most humans. This is how you make a CPU. Let's get one thing clear, you don't just make a CPU in your garage. This isn't a Lego set. This is nanotech warfare measured in atoms, built in billion-dollar labs, and powered by lasers, plasma, and physics that would make Einstein sweat. It all begins with sand. Yeah, actual sand. But not just any sand, ultra-pure silicon sand. It's melted at over 1,400 degrees Celsius and turned into a perfect crystal. Like a sci-fi wizard pulling tech from Earth. That crystal? Sliced into thin wafers, polished to a mirror shine, and then the real magic begins. We etch the brain. Using extreme ultraviolet light UV for the cool kids, microscopic patterns are printed onto the wafer. This process is called photolithography. It's like tattooing electrical highways onto glass with precision so fine, you can fit billions of these lines inside a fingernail. Each layer of the CPU is built one on top of the other, transistors, gates, pathways, layer by layer, dozens of times. We're talking over 100 billion transistors in one chip. It's like building an entire city on the head of a pin. Now enter doping. Not the sports kind, the atomic kind. We blast the wafer with ions to change the way electricity flows. Suddenly, our flat silicon becomes alive, able to switch on, off, and think in binary. Gold, copper, aluminum used to wire the whole brain together. We bake it, polish it, test it, and finally cut the wafer into individual chips. Each one no bigger than a fingernail but capable of controlling spaceships, video games, or that late-night YouTube binge. And then they're packaged encased in green circuit boards, with hundreds of pins or tiny gold dots that connect the chip to the rest of your machine. This is what sits in your motherboard. This is the heart, the mind, the soul of your tech. Testing is brutal. CPUs are pushed to the edge, burned, frozen, shocked to see which ones are elite. The best? They're labeled, clocked, and sold as high-performance chips. The others? They might still ship, just at lower speeds. Hello, budget build. From grains of sand to machines that learn, predict, and power the world. The CPU is a miracle of human engineering. Not just tech, it's a masterpiece. So next time you open your laptop, just know there's a tiny silicon genius inside doing millions of calculations before you even finish blinking. If this blew your mind, comment Silicon Wizard, hit that follow, and stick around. Next we'll show you how GPUs are made and why they're secretly the rock stars of the digital world.